Hi, welcome to eSuite. Okay, one of the big challenges of wholesale distribution businesses is keeping track of what customers want. And quite often, particularly in the food distribution industry, customers often want the same thing every week, and they want the same variety of a particular product every week. The same size prawns or the same cut of beef, whatever it might be. And so there's a real need to keep track of this information. So let's have a quick look at how we do that in eSuite. First of all, I'm going to go into a customer file and go into the what we call the B2b pricing section. Some other software systems call this a pantry. We call it the B2b or the reorder screen. But this is where we set it up. This is the B2b pricing. You can set specific pricing. You add your stock codes here. Later on, we'll add some codes to the bottom here. I'm going to add some corned beef, which I haven't got in here at the moment, and some chili chicken. We'll see how they get added. Now, this is the normal price here, and currency. These are special prices, so we can say, look, if we sell this item, we can do it for a special price, $22. We cover that in another demo. And these ones here, we can flag the ones that are required. These are ones that are important to the customer. So, for example, maybe seafood sticks is not so important to them anymore. And in here we can also put a required quantity. So let's say every week they want 10 of these items, yeah? So we've done some setting up there. Let's get out of this screen and let's just do a sales order. Select the customer, and this is a credit warning screen. You don't have. This is an optional setting in the program. You don't have to show this if you don't want to. And this also shows all the other sales orders. You can merge these orders. I'm going to bypass that for the moment. And I'm going to go straight in. Now, normally you can just key in a stock code here, but I'm going to go straight into the Pantry reorder screen. Hit the F1 key, and here are the items. The ones in bold are the ones that are required. And in this screen we've got stock code, stock description. This is a user definable field. It can be it's configurable, and we've got the last two sales that we've made to this customer and the quantities that they wanted. This is how much is available in stock. Obviously this is a test database, and these are the contract prices that we've got here. And look, you just enter in your quantities here. Now we can key in 3 of these. This one you get quantity multiplication warning, so it says, well, you've got to order in quantities of 10, and we'll do 5 of this, and so on. And so that's our reorder screen, and if we click OK, they've been added to the order. And we can add an item conventionally. So I'm going to add the corned beef item here. And there is a setting in the program, and if I've done my homework correctly, I have got it now that this item will be automatically added to the reorder screen for the next time, so that we don't, as they order new items, they get added and prompted. Next time they ring up, we'll ask them, hey, do you want corned beef again? Another thing to note is that reorder screen is everything. A lot of the screens in eSuite are heavily customizable. So, for example, I can customize this, and I might want to show, for example, that required quantity field, and I'll put it here, and we'll abbreviate it a little bit. We'll call it required, like that, and we'll make it read only, and that'll do for the moment. You can change fonts. We'll set it to green. Hopefully it'll come out. It may not. I have a feeling that if you set it read only, it comes out black, but we'll see. Okay. Yeah, I was right. It's because, actually, no, I think it's possibly because it's a one of these flagged required option fields, so it does it in bold. Yeah. Anyway, so that's the reorder screen, and that's how it works. However, it's consistent with the rest of the program. For example, we have a touch screen version of our POS screen, and the reorder screen in there works very much the same way, although a little differently. It's all about touch. And I've just realized I'm going to get out of the screen because I want to make a setting change in the system to enable a graphical keyboard. So I want to turn on in my POS screen, I want to enable a touch keyboard. Okay, so we go into our POS screen, and so now we've got the numeric keypad, and we select the same customer, A, B, I, enter, a bit, select, and click OK. And here's the past orders. Click OK. Yeah, I want to continue. And again, you can order items in the conventional way. We can select an item here and go for beef. Find items this way. This screen here is also configurable. And it looks like in that other screen I need to work on the fonts. So in here we've got the same screen that we had before, and we can order 5 of these, enter, and we'll order 8 of these, and so on. So it works the same way. That's our reorder screen, but it also works with our fully integrated website. So we'll have a quick look at that. Just to refresh, we're going to go back into this customer file and have a look at the B2b pricing. You can see the there's the items. Now what we're going to see here, actually, if I complete this order that's in the background, it's going to add that corned beef to this list. So I might just, before I go jumping into the web, let's do that. And we'll add this one as well. We'll check out with this, put it on account, click OK, finish up with that, pop that on the screen. That's our and this is all customizable as well. Get out of there, and that should have already added that an item to the list, but let's just finish this one here and let's have a quick look. Hopefully I've remembered to turn this setting on. So if we have a look at B2B, yep, there's the corned beef and the beef blade that I just added. So they've been added to the list automatically. Alright, now what I'm going to do is show you our integrated website and show the same reorder screen. So we're going to log in. This is a fully integrated website. Log in. And you can order items in a conventional sort of navigation browsing type mechanism. And we can add one of these to the cart. And again, this I'm not sure if it will actually automatically add them from the website. I think it will. To the if I add this ham deluxe. But here's our reorder screen. And again, it works the same way. So we can add 3, and we've got the same error messages as must do a multiple of 5. Okay. And so we'll order these ones come in cartons of 6. So I'll go 2 of those, and cartons of 12, I believe. And so we should be able to just add these to the cart, and I'm actually doing some testing earlier, so I've already added I think this bacon item earlier. Now if we go back into this item, what I wanted to show you is the live integration between the accounting system. So if I go in here and add that, add an item here, so I'm going to add chili chicken. Right, now before I close this screen, we'll just have a quick look. Go back to the reorder screen. So there's no chili chicken. Now we go back in here and get out of here, finish that. Go back to the website and we should be able to see the chili chicken has been added automatically to the system. So now, just out of curiosity, I'm not sure whether this is a configuration in the system, and I'm just going to have a look because in my order, in my cart, I've got ham deluxe. So there is, like I said, you can configure this. I'm not sure if it's going to work, but anyway, you can make it so that this gets automatically added to the system as well. So we'll check out, place the order, and this being a B2B business does not need and it's created SOR 118. You don't need you can have a payment gateway if you wish, but we don't need that. So if we go in, drill into the customer, we should see that order was created. There it is there. And there's the now this item will only get added to the B2B system when I convert it into an invoice. So when I convert this into an invoice, the ham deluxe will get added to the system. Now it's giving me a warning message, and we get out of here. Yeah, okay, and we'll finish that. And if we close down out of this customer screen and re-edit it, or review that screen, go to the B2B, there's the ham deluxe that's been added automatically to the system. So that is a setting in the program. You don't have to have that. It does not have to automatically add it. The first time it adds it, it doesn't update this, but that can be done as well. And yeah, so that's how it works. That's the reorder screen. There's one more thing actually that I remember now that we can show you. When you're going into the sales order screen, when you select that customer, and you go searching for, say, chicken, if as you scroll through, it also, just in the conventional list, it highlights the items that they've said that they want as required. So even if you're just navigating and looking through product, it'll still show the items that are important to the customer. So it's another reinforcement of making sure that you keep ordering the items that customer wants and the variety that's important to them. So thanks for watching, and there's quite a few features in there, and very configurable. We can make it work any way you want. I've really only just scratched the surface of some of the things that we can do with it. So thanks for watching, and look forward to hearing a bit about your business and seeing how we can make eSuite work for you. Thanks. Bye.